Chest and Center. Facial Plastics Unit. I love my hair. We all love our hair. But are you worried about your hair loss, hair fall? Heard of non-surgical hair restoration procedure? GFC, PRP. What is GFC PRP? PRP, platelet-rich plasma, and GFC, growth factor concentrate, are both advanced biological treatments that use components derived from a patient's own blood for hair restoration. How long does the procedure take? It's a daycare procedure, which normally takes 1 to 1.5 hours. Is it a safe procedure? Since we are using patient's own blood, there will be no major side effects. Pre-procedure instructions. A good shampoo wash, using any mild shampoo, on the day of procedure. Benefits of PRP/GFC. 1. Prevents hair fall. 2. Increased dents in hair. 3. Increased thickness of hair. 4. Natural method. Diffuse hair thinning and hair loss, patient evaluation. Collection of blood and preparation. Scalp preparation. Scalp is cleaned with antiseptic solution and local anesthetic cream is applied. It takes effect in 45 minutes. Centrifugation. PRP extraction. Injection of PRP into the scalp. Microneedling. Aftercare. Avoid washing your hair for at least 12 to 24 hours. After that, use a mild, chemical-free shampoo, e.g., baby shampoo. Don't use hot water, prefer lukewarm. For good results, one should repeat the procedure once in 21 days for at least 4 to 5 sittings.